the language of love like you know what it means.
But not long, tidied up.
Oh, I know.
Ooh, you
That's your thing.
Look, it's very good.
Take my heart and make it strong. You're simply the best. Do, do, do. Better than all the rest. You're better than anyone. Anyone I ever met. Stopped on your heart. Hate on every word you say. Oh, tear us apart. Every night, every day.
So great. He does, he's right, Mizzle.
Really is.
Your eyes, I get washed away.
Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be in no
Better place.
boom, boom, boom. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone I ever met. Stuck on your heart.
Oh, bless him, we're going away with the time down here.
Isn't he? He really is.
Small things.
Oh,
We got Ash. It's mine. It's mine. Get off it. It's mine.
stop losing control.
Right, no.
Walking away with my heart and my soul.
Oh, you had enough of that now. You're a little man. Trying to see his Axel. Don't shout at me!
Stop it.
Who do you think you are? Yeah? Yeah? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Yeah, you best say sorry, young man. You best say sorry. Get off me, you tart. Shush now. Shush now.
Yeah.
Loves his own voice, doesn't he?
Oh, it really does. Just because you didn't get it.
Yeah, I know, he's upset.
Oh, dear.
There's foxes in your garden. There's foxes in your garden. That's all. Foxes in your garden. Foxes in your garden. Oh, foxes! Oh!
Oh, where's the foxes?
It's like you're lying.
No, I ain't bothering.
What is that song? I don't want nobody else. I love you. She's
You're
lying.
lying.
There'll be nobody else, and that's
You're
true.
lying. Yeah.
You'll
I know
always
the
be
one,
my
yeah.
friend, sweet darling.
You're lying. Yeah, in the back.
Why does she
Who sings
pretend?
that? You know.
Ain't no doubt that's plain to see.
Yeah, that's it.
A woman like you's no good for me. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my god.
I think it's You're Not Beating on the Door.
Something like that, isn't it? I can't even think who sings it though. Ooh.
Oh, who hurt who there?
There's Axel and Ash, between Axel and Ash.
Yeah, who hurt who? Someone hurt someone.
Oh, did you hurt your Ash Bash? That's really strange, isn't it? Did you hurt Ash Bash? You didn't mean to.
Did he hurt you?
Or did he hurt you? What happened? What happened then?
Did he hurt you or did you hurt him?
What happened, Axel?
What's the matter? Who hurt who? Did you hurt him or did he hurt you, babes? Assel? Assel, look at mum. Who hurt who? Did he hurt you? Or did you hurt him? What happened? What happened? Did he hurt you? Honey Sue. Honey Sue, I'm upset.
Come baby, come running over, isn't he? What happened
Who
there?
hurt who there? Did someone get hurt? Oh. Look. No, shush, don't bark at me.
Oh, Reg. Little hand's tingling.
Did he hurt you?
Oh, bless him. What are you doing, my Rose? My Rose! Hanging around the garden.
Hello, sassy man. Oh, Debbie. Hello, sassy. Where's my sassy boy? My, Milo. My, Milo. My, Milo. He's just sitting there staring at me. Yeah. My, Milo. My, Milo. Yo, sassy man. Oh, doing up, Deden. Hello, sassy man. Hello. Hello, sassy man. Look at my muddy floor now. Hello, my sassy man. Mama, sassy man. Mama, Ash. Mama, sassy man, Milo. Oh, look, she's trashing the joint now, look. We're my sassy Ash Bash. Sassy boys. Oh, Auntie Sue, what are you doing to Mummy's basket? Look.
Yeah,
So,
I know, look.